Hey everybody, today I've got a 2015 GMC Acadia and it came in with the check engine light on, and the code in it is a P0496 evaporative emissions systems flow during non-purge. So started looking at it. First thing you want to do is you want to pull this cover off. You have to take the oil cap off, pull the cover off, and here is the purge solenoid right here. So what we need to do is we need to test the purge solenoid. So when you disconnect this hose here, there should not, and you disconnect the electrical connection, there should not be any vacuum on this line with the car running. So let me set you here and let me go start the car up. And I got my handy dandy vacuum gauge, and we're going to put it here. As you can see, the vacuum jumped up to like 14 inches of mercury. This valve should be closed with the electrical connection disconnected. You can also put your finger on it and see that it's flowing right now. This valve's bad. You need to replace this valve. I highly recommend getting a dealer valve for this because I already got one aftermarket valve and it was no good. So here's a real quick one for you. If you got a P0496, purge during non-purging, most likely this valve has gone bad, and this valve has gone bad. We're going to get in here and replace this valve. Once we get a good valve, it'll be done. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always see that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. If you don't like the video, please like and share.